Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is lecture number 5A from chapter 2. Chapter 2 is acids, bases and salt for class 10th chemistry. Now we are going to discuss usage of bases. Some important usage of bases are sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap, paper and a synthetic fiber that is called rayon. So dear student, sodium hydroxide is used to prepare soap, paper, synthetic fiber. Now calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also known as select lamp, and it is used to manufacture of bleaching powder. A student, you know how much importance of bleaching powder is, and it is made by select lamp. Now magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is also called milk of magnesia, and it is used to prepare antacids. Antacid means antiacid, or antacid is used to neutralize acid when excess acid form in our stomach due to overeating. Now sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is basic salt because sodium carbonate is prepared from a strong base and weak acid. So it is basic in nature, and it is used as washing soda and for softening hard water. Now sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also basic salt, and it is used as baking soda in cooking food, for making baking powders, as an antacid to cure indigestion, and in soda acid fire extinguisher. So dear student, sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as baking soda in cooking food and for making baking powders, and it also used as an antacid to cure indigestion and in soda acid fire extinguisher. The student, generally you see in your school fire extinguisher. In that very fire extinguisher, solid CO2 is filled, but by the use of sodium hydrogen carbonate you can also prepare soda acid fire extinguisher. Now strength of acid and bases solutions or pH scale. Dear student, by blue litmus paper or red litmus paper or their solutions, you cannot find a strength of acid or base, how much a strong acid or base is. You cannot calculate by the use of litmus paper. For knowing the strength of acid and base, you have to use pH scale or universal indicator. Now pH scale, the strength of an acid or base is measured on a scale of numbers called the pH scale. The pH scale has values from 0 to 14. Dear student, pH scale नंबर्स का स्केल होता है जिसपे 0 to 14 मार्क किया गया होता है। उस स्केल में अगर किसी भी सॉल्यूशन का वैल्यू अगर 7 के बराबर होता है तो न्यूट्रल होता है, और 7 से लेस देन 7 होगा तो एसिडिक होगा, और मोर देन 7 होगा तो डेट इज बेसिक। नाउ according to the rules of pH scale, neutral substances have a pH of exactly 7, so the pH value of pure water is 7. Now, acids or acidic solution have a pH of less than 7, so more acidic a solution is, the lower will be its pH. तो सॉल्यूशन जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा उसका pH वैल्यू उतना ही लोअर होगा। बेसिस और बेसिक सॉल्यूशन हैव अ pH ऑफ मोर देन 7, सो द मोर बेसिक अ सॉल्यूशन इज द हायर विल बी इट्स pH, द हायर द pH द स्ट्रॉन्गर विल बी द बेस और अल्कलीज। दिस इज pH scale. Numbering on the pH scale is from 0 to 14. If value of pH becomes 7, then solution will be neutral, and pH value less than 7 is acidic, and pH value is more than 7. These pH values for bases. If pH value is less than 7 or more than 3.5, then acids will be weak acid, and pH value is less than 3.5 and more than 0 or up to 0, then it is a strong acid. In same way, pH value is more than 7 or less than 10.5 is a weak base, or you can say weak alkali, or pH value is more than 10.5 or less than 14 or up to 14 is a strong base or a strong alkalis. So from 7 to 0, moving from 7 to 0, pH value decreases, and when pH value decreases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases from 7 to 0 means इंक्रीजिंग H प्लस आयंस कंसंट्रेशन। pH वैल्यू जितना इंक्रीज करेगा मतलब एसिड उतना ज्यादा एसिडिक होगा, और एसिड जितना ज्यादा एसिडिक होगा उसमें H प्लस आयन का कंसंट्रेशन उतना ही ज्यादा होगा, और H प्लस आयन का कंसंट्रेशन जितना ज्यादा होगा OH माइनस आयन का कंसंट्रेशन उतना ही कम होगा। मीन्स H प्लस एंड OH माइनस जस्ट रिवर्स टू वन अनदर। H प्लस आयन की संख्या ज्यादा होगा, means acid release much H plus ion, then it release less, very less few OH minus ion. In same way, increasing basic nature from 7 to 14, basic nature of the alkalis or bases increases. So increasing basic character means increasing alkaline nature. When alkaline nature increases means it gives OH minus ion concentration, or decreasing H plus ion concentration. So dear student, this is pH scale. From this scale you can calculate or you can measure how much strong acid or bases is. Thank you. More about this chapter I will discuss in next video. Okay.